SPMCL Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited recruitment for different vacancies. This is the advertisement number 3/2021. This is a Miniratna company fully owned by Government of India. There are two vacancies, that is Secretarial Assistant B4 level and Junior Office Assistant B3 level. For Secretarial Assistant there is only one vacancy for unreserved category, maximum age is 28 years. The pay scale is around 23,910 rupees to 85,570. For Junior Office Assistant there are three vacancies, two for unreserved and one for SC category. The upper age limit is 28 years and the pay scale is 21,540 to 77,001 rupees. So the essential eligibility criteria, age criteria is 27 till 27/10/2021. You need to have 28 years. So let's see the education qualifications. Graduate with 55% marks and computer knowledge and stenography of 80 words per minute and typing speed of 40 words per minute for secretarial assistant post, and this is desirable, not essential. Proficiency in secretarial job, and the maximum age limit is 28 years. And for junior office assistant, the essential criteria is a graduate with 55% of marks and computer knowledge with typing test of computer at 30 words per minute, or typing with Hindi at 30 words per minute. So the maximum age limit is 28 years. In order to apply for this post, the important dates, that is online web application has already started from 28/9/2021. The last date for submitting online application is 27/10/2021. So the payment of fees will be from 28/9/2021 to 27/10/2021. So this is the examination apply link dates. So the last date is 27th of October 2021. So the upper age limit will be relaxable for SC, ST, OBC, and computation age, minimum post qualification experience qualification shall be as of 27/10/2021. So there is no age bar in the service of SPMCL employees who fulfill essential qualifications and experience. So selection procedure will be of phase 1, phase 2. Phase 1 will be comprised of skill test, and phase 2 skill test, and phase 2 will be CBT. And for secretarial assistant, phase 1 will be Hindi shorthand on computer at a speed of 80 words per minute of 75 minutes for the stipulated time duration, including dictation 10 minutes and transcription of 65 minutes for the post of selection secretarial assistant. For the post of junior office assistant, the skill test will comprise of typing test on computer for English or Hindi as opted by in application form. So typing test speed of 40 words per minute in English or 30 words per minute in Hindi if you opt Hindi as an elective while filling your application form. And after the skill test there will be phase 2, and for both secretarial assistant and junior office assistant, only those candidates who qualify the skill test will be called for computer based test, and this CBT will be bilingual either in Hindi and English. So the CBT will be of 100 marks. Number of questions for section 1, that is general awareness, general science, general intelligence, aptitude, arithmetic. Number of questions of 40 questions, 40 marks. And for secretarial assistant, for the secretarial assistant to Hindi, comprehension, passage, Hindi grammar, Hindi official language, words and uses, that will be of 60 questions, 60 marks. And for the post of junior office assistant, 60 questions will be given in this stream, that is computer knowledge, MS Office, internet, email, etc. This kind of computer awareness. Prepare for bank exams. 60 questions will be given and 60 marks, total put together 100 marks. So this is regarding the phase 1 and phase 2 examination, and there will be negative marks, and the duration of the test will be 120 minutes, that is 100 questions 120 minutes, and 25% of negative marks for each wrong answer. And each objective type question will be having 4 options which will carry 1 mark each. So the skill test, remember the skill test, that is CBT, will be conducted only in the Delhi NCR regions, in the vicinity of Delhi itself. So not to apply for this post, you need to go, not to appear for examination, you need to visit Delhi or vicinity of Delhi. So this is important. and you need to apply through the careers page of SPMCL. The link will be given in the description. Examination fees is rupees 400 rupees for unreserved category or OBC category, and for SC/ST intimation fees just 100 rupees for SC/ST PWD categories. This is regarding the number of vacancies of different posts in SPMCL. So any graduate can apply for the post of junior officer. Take advantage. And if you have any doubts, please do comment. Please do check the latest job updates playlist. Thank you.